Hey everybody, it's Travis with Devil Dog Digital. Very early at 5:30 a.m. Just made my fresh pot of coffee and had to make a video. And tell me if this sounds like you or your situation in your business. You wake up every morning, 5:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, and you're out on your job sites. You're out busting your tail, busting your hump at 7, 8 a.m. And then you work all day and you come home. And then that's when the real work begins. The stuff that you are not comfortable doing, that you hate doing, that you wish you had someone else to do for you. And that is, you spend 3 hours, 2, 3, 4 hours every night working on the admin part of your business. So you got to follow up, hopefully follow up on all the emails that came in, all the voicemails from the phone calls that came in, and hope they're still interested. But you got to do all your follow up. And then you got to do your paperwork, your admin paperwork, like estimates and sending out invoices, collecting invoices. And then you got to do your social media. If you video and take videos on the job sites and then post that to social media, you gotta do that. You gotta edit your video, you gotta edit your images to put into your portfolio. There's so many hats you wear as a small independent business owner. Well, I've been doing this since 1998, and I did it as a single father of raising 3 boys on my own. And well, I suffered for many, many years. And it wasn't until the last few years where I found the way to eliminate a lot of that time that you could be spending with your family, with your wife, with your kids, or spending time on you so you can rest when you get home from work and you don't have to dread the drive home, and then you got to have all this paperwork. And then by the time you're done with paperwork, what do you have time for? Nothing. You got to go to sleep because you got to wake up again at 5:30 in the morning to get on a job site to bust your hump again. Well, I can solve a lot of that for you and take a lot of that time off of your hands. And that is with AI automation that can take over those menial, time consuming tasks that you will never have to worry about again. Imagine coming home after a long day's work and looking at your schedule, your calendar, seeing that you have appointments that are already set up for you without hiring a new employee, because we know how much that's going to cost. And then we got to hope they do a good job, and we have to hope they show up every day. Well, I'm here to tell you with AI, we can cover that 24/7, 365, and free up your time to spend with your family again and have time to yourself again while your business can actually grow. Because now all the leads that have been slipping through the cracks because you are not good at getting back to them, and that's no fault of your own, because you are a plumber, you are a landscaper, not a social media wizard or an online marketing expert or a website developer. All of those things. Well, all you have to do is contact me, and I will put those solutions in place for your business. I am Devil Dog Digital. I'm a veteran owned, I'm a former Marine, so you know I'm a hard worker and we fight hard and we make sure when we're done, the mission is accomplished. And I will help your business. I'll help you spend more time with your girlfriend or your wife, and I guarantee they are going to appreciate it. And instead of coming home and working hard, you can come home and take your wife out to dinner. Take you, your wife, and the kids out to dinner. You can make it to your kid's baseball game or your daughter's dance recital, or you can make it to a holiday function with your family. You don't have to stay home and work while everyone else goes. I'm here to solve the problems that you face in your business that keep you up at night while you're trying to get sleep so you can wake up early and bust your ass out in the field during the day. So if that sounds like you and you want to solve this problem in your life and get some time back while you still grow your business, you'll probably even grow faster because all of these things will be taken care of for you without you having to do them. Imagine every phone call that comes in is answered, every question answered, every email answered, every direct message on social media answered, appointments set automatically, and all you have to do is look at your calendar and you will see that you have appointments set up. And I can make that happen for your business. So give me a shout, Travis at devildogagency.com. And it will soon be devilDogDigital.ai. Sorry, but I've had a fight to get that domain, and it's going to be, I will have it soon. So for now, it's devildogagency.com. But company is named Devil Dog Digital. Don't let that confuse you. Sorry. But let a Marine handle your business so you can handle your business. Semper Fi, my friends.